Hello everyone, welcome to our module 5 of Sanction. In this module, we will understand the roles and responsibilities of different people involved in sanction compliance. We will learn who does what, who is responsible for decision, and how sanction compliance works as a team effort inside banks and financial institutions. Now let's start with the roles of sanction compliance team. So, sanction compliance is not the job of one person, it is a team effort. Every bank has a sanction compliance framework, and within that framework, different teams play different roles. Think of sanction compliance like a security system with multiple checkpoints. If one checkpoint fails, risk enters the bank. Now, who is the sanction compliance team? The sanctions compliance team usually includes sanction analysts, senior compliance officers, policy and government team, escalation and advisory team. Their main responsibility is ensure the bank does not deal with sanctioned person, entities or countries. Key responsibilities of the team. The team is responsible for implementing sanctions policies, ensuring screening system work properly, reviewing alerts, blocking prohibited transaction, reporting to regulators. They also update internal rules, monitor regulatory changes. Simple day life example. Imagine a customer sends money to another country. The sanction compliance team ensures that country is not sanctioned, that beneficiary is not restricted, that no indirect sanctions risk exist. Only then money is allowed to move. Now, role of a sanction analyst. Who is a sanction analyst? A sanction analyst is the first line of defense. They are the people who review alert, analyze matches, and decide whether risk exists. This is the most common entry level role in AML and sanction. Daily work of a sanctions analyst. A sanction analyst typically logs into screening system, reviews alerts generated, checks customer details, compare with sanction list and makes decision whether clear or escalate. This work requires attention to detail, patience and good judgment. Example of analyst review. System generates alert. Customer name matches a sanction name. Analyst check date of birth, nationality, address and occupation. If details do not match, alert cleared as false positive. If details match, escalated immediately. Why analyst role is sensitive? One wrong clearance can violate sanctions law, cause penalties, damage reputation. That is why analysts are trained to, when in doubt, just escalate. Now, roles of responsibilities managers and front officers. Who is office staff? Front office includes relationship managers, sales team and branch staff. They interact directly with customers. Why front office plays a role in sanctions? Even though front office does not clear alerts, they collect customer information, understand customer business and identify unusual behavior. They are the eyes and ears of the bank. Now let's take an example from daily banking. Suppose relationship manager notices customer insists on urgent foreign transfer. Designation country is high risk. So RM should inform compliance, not override controls. Common mistakes to avoid. Front office should never pressure compliance by saying this is a good customer, please clear quickly. Or compliance decisions must be independent. Now, role of senior management and board. Why senior management is involved? Sanctions compliance is legal obligation, strategic risk. Now, senior management is accountable for ensuring the banks must follow sanctions laws. Responsibilities of senior management. They are responsible for approving sanctions policies, allocating resources and ensuring power staffing, supporting compliance decision. They also review major breaches and interact with regulator. Now let's take an example of management responsibility. If a sanction breach occurs, regulator questions management, not junior analyst. That is why management must support strict compliance and avoid business pressure. Tone from the top. When leadership says compliance is important, employees take it seriously. If leadership ignores compliance, risk culture weakens. Now, who are the regulators? Regulators are authorities who create rules, enforce laws, and penalize violations. They ensure banks do not support illegal activities. What regulators expect from banks? Regulators expect strong sanction control, effective screening system, proper training, and accurate documentation. They don't expect perfection, but they expect effort and control. Now, roles of auditors. Auditors review past alerts, check decision, test systems, identify gaps. Audits can be internal, external, or regulatory. Example of audit question. Auditor may ask, why was this alert cleared? If answer is clear, logical, and documented, audit passes. Now let's take a final some key learnings. That regulators enforce rules, auditors test effectiveness and documentation, saves bank. With this, we end with module 5 of sanctions. Thank you.